In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a shape to exact dimensions in Canva following their latest update. Let's dive right in and make sure you achieve those precise dimensions you're aiming for. First, ensure you're logged into Canva. Whether you're starting with a fresh design or working on an existing project, have your design open where you plan to add and customize a shape. Being prepared at this stage sets the foundation for a smooth process. Next, head over to the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard where you will find several options. One of these options is the Elements tab, which is typically located further down the menu. It's very easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. The Elements area is quite resourceful, housing a wide range of design assets, including the shapes we'll be focusing on today. Upon selecting the Elements tab, you'll notice a search bar popping up at the top of the Elements panel. In this search bar, type in Shapes. This is a handy feature that filters the results, showing only the shape options offered by Canva. Such a search feature is particularly beneficial for speeding up your design process, providing a collection of shapes such as squares, circles, and triangles, among others, that you can select for your design work. With the array of shape options now displayed, click on the specific Shapes category. This action will present an expanded view of all the available options. Now, it's time to pick a shape that aligns with the needs of your specific project. For example, if your design requires a rectangle to serve as a frame, you can choose a rectangular shape that suits your artistic vision. Once you've picked your shape, the next step is to integrate it into your design. Simply click, drag, and drop it onto your design canvas. To do this, click on the desired shape, hold the mouse button down, and then slide it over to your canvas. Releasing the mouse button will drop it in place, inserting it into your design workspace. Now that your shape is part of your project, let's move on to resizing it to meet your exact specifications. You'll notice that your shape is bordered by little circles at each corner. These are your resizing handles. Click and drag these handles to adjust the size of your shape. Depending on what's needed, you can make it larger or smaller. Interestingly, Canva displays the dimensions of the shape in real time as you drag, ensuring that your resizing efforts are precise and accurate. And there you have it. Through these straightforward steps, you can resize any shape to the specific dimensions you require in Canva, allowing for accurate customization within your projects. Whether you're crafting a social media post, creating an engaging presentation, or working on any other design format, mastering these manipulation skills can significantly elevate the professionalism of your outputs. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll soon become adept at navigating Canva's interface with ease. Happy designing!